Welcome to Powerviz. In this video, let's explore the comparison chart feature in our flagship KPI visual. The comparison chart helps you compare multiple data points visually. For example, I have my current year sales being represented here with these blue bars, and I have the outline bars here which is representing the sales for last year. I also have forecast here which is being represented by the shaded area, and the planned sales as well, which is being highlighted here using these icons. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to recreate a visual something like this with just a few clicks. Let's get started. I'm going to add the KPI visual into my report page. I have now added all the required fields here into my category and the value section. In the category section, I have subcategory. In the value section, I have my sales measure, sales last year measure, forecast, and plan. Now that I have all of my data points here, I'm going to click on create your own. From the different layers that we have here, I'm going to choose bar chart. In the value section, let's choose all the values that we have added here, like sales last year, sales, forecast, and plan as well. In the by section, I'm going to choose subcategory and then click on apply. I now have the regular bar chart created here, but let's head to the bar section. This is where you will have to choose the chart type called comparison. And then when you choose the comparison as the chart type, you have to choose the actual values and previous year values. For example, I'm going to choose the actual value here, which is the sales measure. For the previous year, I'm going to choose sales last year. For the plan value, the plan measure. And for forecast, I have the forecast measure. Click on apply. And now you can see that we have our comparison chart created. You can change the colors here based on your requirements. For example, I would like to change this to lighter shade of blue that I had created earlier. For the previous year, I would like to leave it at that. The plan value here, you can change this to an orange icon. And for the forecast value, I'm going to choose this lighter shade of gray and then click on apply, click on apply. And now you can see that our comparison chart is created. Let's go back into the edit section where we can add the data labels as well. Under data labels, you can choose which data label you want to display here. For example, if you want to display only the actual and the previous year, you can do that. Or if you want to display all of the data labels, you can do that right from here. Let's also increase the size of data labels to about 12. Click on apply. I now have all the data labels appearing on our comparison chart. Creating such comparison charts using our KPI visual is extremely easy and time-saving. You can create such visuals effortlessly in your Power BI reports as well. Head to Microsoft App Stores or our website to download our flagship KPI visual by Powerviz.